do this quick video. This is a 6-ton 3-phase Trane heat pump. I recorded these units a long time ago. This is another 6-ton 3-phase Trane. This is an ICP and cooling mode with a fan motor hack job. It's a Heil unit. Over here we have another one. That's actually frozen up. That one is completely frozen. It's actually blowing really cold. Doesn't sound too good either. And here's 2 more Heils. Fan motor hack job. And that one there is also a Heil with a fan motor hack job. Heil. Let's look at this froze up one again real quick. This one's completely froze up. Frozen solid. Trane. Those are off for a change. People are looking at me. I don't care. The first one is a Trane. Unsure if these are heat pumps. Where's it's all the way on the other side. They are, yeah, they're heat pumps. Model number 2WA0072A3000AB. Manufactured 7/2006. That means it is a 6-ton. What are you? Oh, it's a good old Carrier. Well, something like it. There's all the numbers. Nah, I think these are the same. These are all heat pumps. Oh, they're Heil. Oh, that was quiet. And the last one is also a Heil. Yeah, Heil.